This allergy's killing me. It's allergy season. Sound all nasally. Welcome to the channel, everybody. It's been a minute since I've actually vlogged, like MotoVlogged. This is a new setup, so this has been trending. I noticed on like Instagram and pretty much any and every social media that you could think of. InstaGO 3 now just came out, and people have been placing their InstaGO 3s inside the helmet like this because it's so tiny and compact. So here's a little demo that I'm doing for you guys. It is mounted on the left side. I'll take a picture later just to show you how it looks like, or what it looks like now with my full exhaust system. I might try this out at the track and see if it works. Then I could do like a little track motovlog. Should be interesting. And most of the tracks around me, they're not allowing helmet cams. So Chuckwalla, for example, doesn't allow it. Streets of Willow, Big Willow, all the Willows. And yeah, the only place that does allow, or I guess that's pretty lenient with cameras, especially helmet cam, is Button Willow. I always put a helmet cam there and it always works. They don't say anything. And yeah. But anyways, if you thought that this little short video was cool, let me get a like. If you like my content, let me get the sub. If you want to see more track content and whatnot, you know, just follow my channel. But yeah, that's it. That's all I got for today. I'm gonna go to a coffee shop, do some work, and probably go grab dinner later. Alrighty guys, bye.